This is Mr. Wild at creatortest.co.uk showing you today how to work out the percentage of a monetary amount and also helping you find a fraction of so many minutes. So the first question we've got is find 60% of £70. Now in order to find 60%, I'm first going to find 10% of £70. I'm going to do this because it makes it much easier then to find 60%. So how do I find 10% of £70? Well, 10% is exactly the same as a tenth. Some people also know it's the same as 0.1. But 10% is quite easy to find because you just literally look at this number and say, I'm going to actually move the decimal point one place and put it here. So if I start at £70, move the decimal point, end up with £7. So 10% of £70 is £7. Now if 10% is £7, to work out 60%, I need to do 60% is 6 times 10%. So what I need to do is 6 times £7. And 6 times £7, well, I can work out quite quickly that 5 times £7 is £35. So that's the same as 5 times £7, which equals 35. Add one more 7, because in together we've got 6 £7, which gives another 7. So altogether we've got £42. Okay, you can think through to yourself, does this amount make sense? Well, if you think 50% of £70 is half of £70. So half of £70 would be £35. So £42 is a reasonable amount to have for 60% of £70. Right, we're now going to look at a different question. We're going to look at the fraction question. I need to work out 3/5 of £20. And I'm going to use a similar method. First of all, I'm going to find out 1/5 of 20. I just said pound, but I meant minutes. And then I'm going to get 3/5. Well, 3/5 is 3 times 1/5. I'm just going to times the amount I get by 3. So 1/5 of £20, or 1/5 of 20 is like dividing 20 by 5. So 20 divided by 5 gives me 4. So 1/5 of 20 equals 4. 3/5 of 20 must be 3 times 4, which is 12. So 3/5 of 20 minutes is 12 minutes. Okay. Hopefully that's been helpful. Have a look at some other tutorials.